The BMW S1000RR's engine is nothing short of a marvel in the world of high-performance motorcycles, designed to deliver breathtaking power, precision, and efficiency. At the core of the machine lies a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, equipped with BMW's proprietary shift-cam technology, which optimizes valve timing and lift for both low-end torque and high-end power. This innovative system ensures smooth power delivery across the entire rev range, making the bike equally at home in tight corners as it is on long straights. Producing an astonishing 205 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 113 Nm of torque at 11,000 RPM, the S1000RR is capable of ferocious acceleration, launching from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. The engine's razor-sharp throttle response and refined fuel injection system allow for precise control, giving riders a sense of absolute confidence whether they're setting a lap record or navigating a challenging chicane. When it comes to handling, the BMW S1000RR truly shines on the racetrack, offering a ride that is as exhilarating as it is controlled. The bike's lightweight aluminum bridge frame, combined with a perfectly balanced chassis, ensures incredible stability even at high speeds. BMW's semi-active suspension system, dynamic damping control (DDC), adjusts in real time based on road or track conditions, delivering optimal feedback and cornering precision. The race-bred geometry and aggressive riding stance put the rider in a position of full command, allowing them to attack corners with surgical accuracy. Advanced aerodynamics, including winglets and carefully designed bodywork, contribute to superior downforce and reduced drag, keeping the bike planted during hard braking and sharp turns. Whether you're pushing the limits in a high-speed straight or leaning deep into a curve, the S1000RR provides an unparalleled sense of control and composure. On the racetrack, the S1000RR's suite of electronic rider aids elevates the experience to new heights, enabling riders to focus entirely on the thrill of racing. Dynamic traction control (DTC) ensures optimal grip by adjusting to the lean angle and wheel speed, while ABS Pro enhances braking stability even under aggressive deceleration in corners. The inclusion of a quickshifter and auto-blipper allows seamless gear changes without the need for a clutch, maintaining momentum and focus during intense laps. The bike's customizable Ride Modes Pro feature provides tailored settings for throttle response, engine braking, and traction control, empowering riders to adapt the bike's behavior to specific track conditions or personal preferences. These innovations, combined with the raw power of the engine and the precision of its handling, make the BMW S1000RR not just a motorcycle but a formidable racing machine. It's a testament to BMW's dedication to engineering excellence and their relentless pursuit of performance perfection.